Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice, interesting question. The question is 6 raised to a minus 6 raised to b is equals to 1260, and we need to find the value of a plus b. Now please understand, normally our understanding goes that one equation will get you the value of one variable. But here we have one equation and we need to find the value of two variables. So a lot of people think that we can't solve this. But actually you can literally solve this very easily. You just need a little bit of common sense. So in this case, what you should be doing is you need to pay attention to your RHS. Now if you look closely, your RHS is a positive number. So if this is a positive number, means the subtraction over here also has to be what, from bigger number to the smaller number. So I can say 6 raised to a has to be 6 raised to greater than 6 raised to b. Now since here this is a proper integer, means this 6 raised to a will also be something in terms of 6 raised to b plus some value. Only then the subtraction will lead to a proper integer. Okay, so if you can figure this much out, things become very easy. Another thing you all need to remember is when you have a raised to m plus n, it can be written as a raised to m into a raised to n. So 6 raised to a, which is now equals to 6 raised to b plus k, can be written as 6 raised to b into 6 raised to k. So using the same logic, instead of 6 raised to a, I'll write 6 raised to b into 6 raised to k minus 6 raised to b, which is equals to 1260. Okay, I hope everybody has understood till here. Now, obviously the next step would be what? Taking common. So when I take 6 raised to b common, I am left with 6 raised to k minus 1, which is still equals to 1260. Now instead of writing 1260, what I can do over here is that we can try to factorize 1260 in terms of 6. Okay, why? Because see, here there is a product. One of them is in powers of 6. Another is 1 less than a power of 6. So we'll try to factorize this further. Factorize 1260 in such a way that we get some power of 6, okay, product, which is getting multiplied to some value. Okay, so let's try with 6. So we'll get 210. Then we'll try with 6 again. So you will get 3 and 5. Okay, so next what happens in this case is I can write this as nothing but what, 6 into 6, that is 6 square into 35. Now obviously since we know that these values are proper integers, so I can say therefore 6 raised to b is equals to 6 square. Okay, and now from here I can deduce, since the bases are same, I can deduce that the value of b is nothing but just 2. Now comes the next part, where I can say 6 raised to k minus 1 equals to 35. Let's shift the number on this side. The negative 1 when shifted on the other side will get you a positive 1. So which is also 6 square. Therefore, since the bases are same, I can say k value is also just 2. So from here I can say a value will be what? B value, b plus k, right? A is nothing but what? B plus k. So 2 plus 2 will get you 4. So now final answer, we can say that since we were trying to find the value of a plus b, that is nothing but what? 4 plus 2 gets you the answer as 6. That, my dear friends, is the final answer for this particular question. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.